Hey everyone, this is Jason Simpson at the Houston branch. I'm a fabricator here, and today I wanted to share with you one of our lean improvements that we recently did. Basically, up to this point, when it comes to flame polishing, we've used this little portable holder tray to set our torch in when we're not using it. The problem with this is that you can see when you place it in here, the torch wants to point downwards. So a lot of time has been wasted up to this point when we're trying to, let's say we need to set our torch down so that we can move a piece or flip a piece, and we don't want to extinguish the flame. What we're having to do is flip the cord around and try to get it to where it actually will stay pointing upwards. And sometimes you get it that way, but it even turns while we're not looking, and it creates a hazard or risk. So what we wanted to do is design a holder for the torch that locks it in place, and it's very quick and efficient to put the torch in or take it out. So we designed this acrylic holder. You can see how easily it pops right on there, and it locks in place. It can't fall forwards, backwards, side to side, and the flame always points forward. So this is a great little time saver in the big picture, and it makes it more safe for the torch and for yourself. So hope you enjoyed this example of our lean improvement here at the Houston branch.